So, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Hassan Himel. We're going to explore AWS RDS or Amazon's Relational Database Service. If you have ever wanted to set up a database in the cloud but felt overwhelmed by the complexity, this video is for you. We will cover what RDS is, why it's useful, and how you can get started with RDS. So let's dive in. So, what exactly is AWS RDS? RDS stands for Relational Database Service, and it's a managed service provided by AWS that makes it easy to set up and scale a relational database in the cloud. In simpler terms, RDS takes care of the heavy lifting of database management, such as backups, patching, and scaling, so you can focus on your applications rather than underlying infrastructure. Now, it comes in mind, why should you consider using RDS for your database needs? Here are some key reasons why you should use RDS. At first, we have simplicity. If we look at RDS simplifies the process of managing databases by automating routines tasks like backups, software packaging, and monitoring. This reduces the amount of time you spend on database administration. Then if we look at the scalability, with RDS you can easily scale your databases, compute and storage resources as your application grows. This flexibility allows you to handle varying workloads without over provisioning. Then we have our high availability. RDS offer built-in features like high availability, such as multi-AZ availability zone deployments, which automatically replicate your data to a standby instance in another availability zone. Then we have our security and cost effectiveness. This catch everyone's mind. It is cost effectiveness, so we should use this. RDS offers a pay as you go pricing model, so only pay for the resources you use. One of the great things about RDS is that it supports multiple database engines, so you can choose the one that best fits for your needs. Here are the database engines supported by RDS. At first, we have our Amazon Aurora, then MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, Oracle, and finally SQL Server. Amazon Aurora is a MySQL and PostgreSQL compatible relational database that's optimized for the cloud. It offers performance and availability comparable for commercial databases at a fraction of the cost. Then we all know the MySQL and PostgreSQL. Then MariaDB is the community developed fork of MySQL. Oracle is RDS also supports Oracle, a commercial database engine that's widely used in enterprise environment. And finally, the SQL Server. Microsoft SQL Server is a popular choice for applications developed in the Microsoft ecosystem. And now for our best practices. Before we wrap up, here are some best practices for RDS effectively. At first, we have our enable multi-AZ development. For production workloads, enable multi-AZ deployment to ensure high availability and automatic failover. Then we have our use automated backups. Configure automated backups to regularly backup your database and ensure data recovery in case of failure. Then we have our monitor performance. Use AWS CloudWatch to monitor your databases performance metrics and set up alarms for critical thresholds. Then secure your database. Use security groups, IAM roles, and encryption to protect your database from unauthorized data. And finally, optimize costs. So, and that's it. A complete introduction to AWS RDS, Amazon's relational database service. With this knowledge, you're ready to manage your own relational database in the cloud with ease. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AWS tutorials and cloud computing tips. Have any questions and further inquiry? Drop down below. I will be glad to help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.